Hello, welcome back again to my channel, and good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to make my breakfast shake. I have organic super greens and also pineapple and raspberry, and I have 100% mango juice, no sugar added. You can also use pineapple or orange, whatever you like. Alright, let's get started. Just put all that here. And the leaves. I don't have yogurt today because I didn't go to grocery yet. I got lazy. And I only need half of this. This is too much if I put all that. That's so fresh. Okay. And the juice in there. We'll find out what it tastes like, right? I think that's it. Still have a lot of stuff in there, but it's fine. So this is it. Let's see what it tastes like. Hello everyone, here's my organic super greens and pineapple and raspberry shake. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe my channel And thank you so much for all of you to subscribing my channel. We reached more than 1,000 subscribers now. Yay! Thank you so much. And God bless you all. We'll see you next time.